Hello, everyone. Today we're going to walk through the data analysis spreadsheet for the Prevent the Spread project. If you take a look up here where it says sanitizer number 1, school's hand soap, that's a sanitizer that you're choosing to use for these first two surfaces here. You'd put your second sanitizer here and your third sanitizer here. Now, if we look at these green areas, this is where you're going to input the information. And if you look at the red areas, that area you don't need to put anything into because it's actually going to do the calculations there for us. So as we look over here, let's start by just, let's pretend that we are using the school's hand soap. That would go here as stated. And then you're going to, where it says surface 1, you're going to put the surface where you collected those germs off of. So let's just say it's an iPad. We'll write an iPad in there. Now we're going to go over here. In your kit, you were given centimeter grid paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to take that Petri dish where that unsanitized germ growth occurred on the iPad. And you're going to take that Petri dish and you're going to set it on top of the centimeter grid paper. Okay, you don't have to open it up or anything like that. You just place it right on top and kind of estimate how many square centimeters of growth occurred before that area was sanitized. So let's just say it was 12 square centimeters. So we're going to put 12 there. And then you had the second Petri dish, which was the same surface, but this time it was sanitized. That Petri dish that you have there, you're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to take that sanitized Petri dish from the iPad, place it on top of the centimeter grid paper, and you're going to measure that growth. So let's say that one was 7. We're going to put the number there, 7 square centimeters. And then we're going to go over here. And so it calculated for us what percent of germs were eliminated. So it was 42% of the germs were eliminated on the iPad. Now, let's say that we use the school's hand soap now on a second surface. Okay, so maybe you did the doorknob. So we'll put a doorknob here. Same thing, measure the unsanitized Petri dish from that one, put that measurement here. Let's say that one was 10. So then we go over here and to the sanitized Petri dish, same thing. It was a doorknob, but this time it was sanitized and you grew that in a Petri dish. You're going to place that Petri dish on top of the centimeter grid paper here and give us the measurement, which let's say was 4. And we go enter to calculate here for us what happened. So we had on the iPad, after it was sanitized, it eliminated 42% of the germs. On the doorknob, it eliminated 60%, and that gave us an average of 50% for the school's hand soap sanitizer. Let's now take a look down here at the next step. So now we have sanitizer number 2. So maybe you decide to use, let's just say we use Clorox wipes. Okay, so we're going to put in Clorox wipes. If you don't like those lines there, we can just back those up. So we use some Clorox wipes, and we are going to then go down to surface number 3. So let's say that we sanitized a desktop. We're going to put that in there at the surface, and then we're going to, same thing as we did before, we're going to take that Petri dish that was unsanitized. You're going to place that on top of the centimeter grid paper and get that measurement. Let's say it was, let's say 14, big one. There, and then the second Petri dish on that same surface, but now that it was sanitized and you collected those germs, that Petri dish is going to get placed on top of the centimeter grid paper again. And let's say that this time there was this germ only grew to be 4 square centimeters. Put that there. We're going to press enter, and that was a good one. So 71% of the germs were eliminated on that surface. So that is how you use the data analysis spreadsheet. I hope you enjoy.